Jim, it is. We had just over 50 tests, about the 3:30 mark, and I have to tell you, this was an extremely smooth operation today. It was very regimented. As you can see, we did not see long lines of traffic. Dozens of patients staying in their cars went through in a very orderly fashion for our safety. We are not right on site, but we did get a behind-the-scenes look at the test kits, the computers, and just the overall sanitary measures in place. With signs clearly marked to stay 6 feet apart, Camden County's drive-up coronavirus test site is finally operational.
We all know the numbers are drastic up in the north, but once we open up today, you'll see those numbers starting to climb, unfortunately, here in the city of Camden.
Patients with COVID-19 symptoms, doctor referrals, and appointments began filing into Cooper Poynt Park around noon today, greeted by medical workers, some in Tyvek suits, others wearing bibs, masks, and face shields.
Abide by the rules, reach out to your primary care physician before you show up, and hopefully we can test everyone.
We're not showing you the faces of patients who are symptomatic. Normally, competing hospital systems, Cooper Health and Virtua, now partnering, each lending an equal number of test kits, PPE, and personnel to help get a grasp on the data. 60 test kits will be utilized today. So, can 60 tests a day make a dent?
If you're one of those getting the test, yes. But for the public health, it's nowhere near the number we need.
It's a start to determine just how many are sick in the South Jersey region.
Coming together like this is the only way that we can fight this virus and bring it to a halt.
Though not recommended, there were some walk-ups. We're told people will be triaged and possibly tested, but not turned away. It comes as the mayor himself shared this hug at the test site yesterday. With social distancing in place, we asked why.
That was a friend of mine that I haven't seen in ages, and he gave me his affection. We're family. But don't do that, by all means. We need to keep our distance. We need to stay home.
Now, the nasal swab test taken here today, we've learned, could take anywhere from 4 to 7 days for those results. You can see the site is being closed up for the day today, but it will be open from 12 noon to 4 p.m. That is Monday through Friday between now and April 15th. And that is when both of the hospital health systems will reassess the demand and determine if it needs to stay open any longer.
Hey, Sid, question for you. We know there's a big difference in terms of the number of cases between North Jersey and South Jersey where you are. So what's the best indicator that South Jersey just might not see the same volume of cases overwhelming North Jersey right now?
Well, Jim, two things, according to both the healthcare officials and the politicians, the congressman we spoke to today. Number one is the physical distance that we are, so the mileage between New York City and South Jersey. And the other is that even without this testing, or prior to this testing taking place, they say our hospital systems would be overwhelmed with sick people. So the numbers here, they say, or they believe, are nowhere close to what we're seeing in the north. Reporting live in Camden tonight, I'm Cydney Long, NBC 10 News.
All right, Cydney, thanks.